Hey guys, just a quick note on Berkshire's purchases of Japanese trading companies. On August 31st, the day after Buffett turned 90, Berkshire Hathaway announced that it had invested 5% in each of five what are called or termed trading companies. And what these Japanese companies are essentially little mini Berkshires. They're conglomerates that have interests ranging from energy to mining and chemicals and um, manufacturers and so forth. And what's interesting is this was sort of a classic Buffett buy. It's no question that the United States has been difficult for Buffett to find bargains. And in Japan, managed to pick up 5% investment in each of these. And as summarized on sort of a weighted average basis, um, purchase below book value, just about right at book value, which, when you're looking at the quality of the companies, they appear from just a qualitative standpoint being so diverse and integral to the Japanese economy to be pretty stable, kind of boring businesses. Um, their return on invested capital is kind of paltry at under 5%, but with some leverage, their return on equity is closer to 10%. And what's interesting, so Buffett and Berkshire, made about a $6 billion investment into effectively a $27 billion market cap company trading at around book value and earning about 10% on equity. Um, Berkshire also has a $5.7 billion yen-denominated series of bonds that it pays 0.6%, so 60 basis points. So it effectively has no dollar-yen currency risk. Now, some have said that Berkshire had entered into those arrangements to borrow money because of its investments into these companies, or the reverse, that after having borrowed the money, now went hunting for things to buy. Historically, Berkshire has managed its balance sheet completely separately. Says, let's try to find the best assets that we can, and let's also try to finance the balance sheet as best we can. So, there may be some truth into all three of those things. We won't know for sure until and unless Buffett tells us otherwise. But interesting to see that Berkshire put some money to work in a place that has historically been sort of overshadowed and sort of hidden in the spotlight, in a sense that Japan has faced this low growth environment, and investors have tended to avoid it. So kind of a typical classic Buffett buy, searching around the edges for something to do. Certainly nothing extremely exciting. I certainly could be missing something here, not having looked into these companies in great depth. They seem to be just sort of basic, boring businesses, but certainly any kind of reversion to the mean in terms of the returns on capital that they achieve, coupled with or a reversion in the price to book value, could mean some pretty satisfactory returns for Berkshire. So interesting Japan play. Thanks for listening, watching. Hope you all have a great day. Please be sure to check out theoraclesclassroom.com. Share, like, subscribe to the channel. Would greatly appreciate it, and would also love to know, what interests you, what of Berkshire you're looking to learn about, hear about, anything like that. Always interested in suggestions. So thanks again. Hope everybody has a great day and a great week.